Imagine a world where skies are protected by missile systems that can take down drones and jets from kilometers away. Join us as we dive deep into a range of incredible machines, from land to sea and air. We'll explore the features and history of the Sna-Sam, a missile system dominating the skies, and the Conveyor Model 49, a flying fortress that never got off the ground. We'll also uncover the Sea Hunter, an autonomous submarine hunter, and the Endural Road Runner, a groundbreaking robot soldier. Plus, we'll take a look at the Nimitz-class aircraft carrier, a titan of the seas, and other impressive vehicles. Join us as we explore the power and innovation of modern military technology. Let's get started. With the primary goal being to safeguard military units from aerial threats in various combat scenarios, the Sna-Sam has remarkable capabilities. It is equipped with an impressive operational range of 10 kilometers, with a flight altitude reaching up to 5 kilometers and attaining a maximum speed of Mach 2.6. Employing a combination of laser and radio guidance systems, it ensures precise targeting. It is also equipped with a fragmented rod warhead and an AP frag warhead, thus posing a formidable threat to adversaries. Moreover, its resilience to jamming and seamless integration with the Palma ship missile and artillery system underscore its significance in enhancing air defense capabilities. The Conveyor Model 49. This was a bold concept aimed at creating a versatile and heavily armed fire support aircraft for the U.S. Army, developed by Conveyor San Diego Division. It was meant to be adaptable, tough, and quick to deploy, capable of staying in the air above the battlefield, ready for action. Its propulsion system featured 3 shroud-mounted Lycoming LTC-4B1 turboshaft engines, connected to counter-rotating variable-pitch rotors within the shroud through clutches, shafting, and gear reduction units. Armed to the teeth, the Model 49 could be equipped with various weapons, including side turrets with XM134 7.62mm machine guns or XM75 40mm grenade launchers, and a center turret with a rocket launcher loaded with 500 Wasp rockets or another 30mm cannon. Despite its ingenuity, the Conveyor Model 49 never saw production, losing out to the Lockheed AH-56 Cheyenne, which was later succeeded by the famous AH-64 Apache. The Sea Hunter, a pioneering creation of the U.S. Navy, is an autonomous unmanned surface vehicle unveiled in 2016 as part of the DARPA Anti-Submarine Warfare Continuous Trail Unmanned Vessel Program. This impressive vessel spans 132 feet in length and weighs 135 tons, relying on 2 diesel engines for propulsion. This enables it to achieve speeds of up to 27 knots or 31 miles per hour. Engineered for long-duration operations, it can autonomously navigate for 30 to 90 days without refueling and cover a vast range of 10,000 nautical miles. Its primary objective is to employ advanced sonar and sensor technology to detect mines and submarines, even those emitting minimal noise. Equipped with high-frequency sonar, it emits acoustic signals into the ocean, analyzing the return signals to identify and characterize underwater threats. Despite its remarkable capabilities, the Sea Hunter operates without a crew or weaponry, hinting at the future direction of naval warfare. Endural Road Runner, a revolutionary step ahead in defense technology. Picture a sophisticated and robust autonomous ground vehicle designed to conquer even the toughest terrains with precision and efficiency. The Road Runner puts together cutting-edge sensors, artificial intelligence, and autonomous capabilities to offer unmatched situational awareness and agility on the battlefield. Its durable design and advanced mobility features enable it to effortlessly navigate rugged landscapes and perilous conditions, offering crucial support and protection to troops. Armed with state-of-the-art defensive systems, the Road Runner epitomizes the future of defense innovation, promising a safer and more secure world. The Inca's Hudson Recon APC is a new formidable armored vehicle designed for the most demanding military and security operations. With its utilization of high-grade armor materials, the Hudson Recon ensures unparalleled protection against ballistic threats, prioritizing the safety of personnel in any environment. Engineered for both on-road and off-road mobility, this APC offers exceptional maneuverability, enabling it to navigate diverse terrains with ease. Its robust design and advanced features make it a reliable asset for ensuring mission success and safeguarding personnel in dangerous operational environments. The Nimitz-class aircraft carrier. This carrier stands as a cornerstone of naval power, comprising a class of 10 nuclear-powered vessels serving the United States Navy. Named after Fleet Admiral Chester W. Nimitz, these carriers are among the largest warships ever constructed, with a displacement ranging from 100,000 to 104,600 tons when fully loaded. Stretching an impressive 1,092 feet in length, they are propelled by two Westinghouse A4W nuclear reactors, affording them speeds surpassing 30 knots and virtually limitless range. Accommodating over 6,000 crew members, these carriers house 85 to 90 fixed-wing aircraft and helicopters. In addition, they are armed with multiple Mk-29 guided missile launching systems, RIM-7C Sparrow missiles, and Phalanx CIWS. These features work together to ensure formidable offensive and defensive capabilities. Before the USS Gerald R. Ford's debut in 2017, the Nimitz-class carriers reigned as the largest warships in active service. The Hisar-O air defense missile system, jointly developed by Turkish companies Aselsan and Roketsan, is a medium-range shield against aerial threats. Tailored to safeguard military installations, troops, ports, and strategic assets from airborne threats at medium altitudes, it offers versatile protection against combat aircraft, cruise missiles, helicopters, and drones. Powered by a dual-pulse solid propellant engine, the Hisar-O system boasts an operational range of 25 kilometers, utilizing a modular design for vertical launch capabilities. It operates autonomously via a medium-altitude 3D search radar or as part of a battery, integrated with a fire control unit. It is mounted on a Mercedes-Benz Zetros 6.6 military truck chassis. The system's enhanced dimensions and extended range signify a remarkable stride in military defense technology. The Antasena tank boat, also recognized as the X-18 tank boat, is a groundbreaking combat vessel designed by LOM Ocean Marine and constructed by North Sea Boats for the Indonesian Armed Forces. This catamaran-style craft, weighing 43 tons and measuring 18.75 meters long, is propelled by two MTU V12 2000 M86 engines, generating 1,700 horsepower each, along with two MJP 550 water jets. Capable of achieving a top speed of 50 knots and a cruising speed of 40 knots, the Antasena accommodates a crew of 5 to 6 people and 20 to 60 special forces or Marines. It is fitted with an OTO Melara 3000 series turret, featuring a high-pressure, low-recoil 105mm gun, a 30mm cannon, and a Lemur RWS mounting 12.7-meter HMG turret. The vessel is fortified with NATO Stanag 4569 ballistic armor. The Antasena-class combat boat is a significant leap forward in naval warfare technology, the Patria Nemo. This is a state-of-the-art remote-controlled 120mm mortar system. Its features include fire-on-the-move capability, facilitating dynamic engagement even during relocation, thus uninterrupted fire support. With an exceptional rate of fire and compact mobility, the Patria Nemo enhances operational flexibility and survivability against counter-battery threats. Its usage extends to executing multiple rounds, simultaneous impact, MSI fire missions, delivering devastating precision with up to 6 grenades hitting the target concurrently. Fortified by a robust turret and armored chassis, it shields the crew from ballistic, IED, or improvised explosive device threats and battlefield contaminants. Easily adaptable to light-track chassis, wheeled armored vehicles, or Navy vessels, this system has unparalleled effectiveness in safeguarding sea lines of communication, proving indispensable in modern defense strategies. And now that you have watched this far, we have a bonus for you. Did you know that in 1992, a significant underwater event unfolded when a Russian Sierra-class nuclear submarine collided with the USS Baton Rouge, a Los Angeles-class submarine of the United States? This collision occurred near the Russian naval base at Sevastopol, approximately 12 miles offshore. The collision caused damage to both vessels, with the USS Baton Rouge sustaining scratches and a torn ballast tank. Despite the severity of the incident, there were no casualties. The USS Baton Rouge was reportedly tailing the Russian submarine on an intelligence-gathering mission before they lost contact. This event highlighted the ongoing surveillance of Russian military activities by the United States and underscored the covert operations and high-risk maneuvers that occur beneath the ocean's surface. That's it for today. Which technology impressed you more? Is it the never-built Conveyor Model 49 or the autonomous hunter-killer Sea Hunter? Share with us in the comments. These are some truly groundbreaking military technologies. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to smash that like button and subscribe for more in-depth explorations of the most incredible machines that safeguard our world. Until next time, stay safe and thank you for watching.